Today, on another episode of the Dream E36 build, we have more parts in the mail. And these actually came surprisingly quick from California, and it was ground, so I'm really not sure how it got here in like 1 day, 2, but I'm gonna be opening these up and then you guys will see what they are, because I don't even really know what they look like, because I wasn't really looking at the ad, if we're being honest. I just seen them, I seen the price, I noticed that they're not the typical 3-piece ones because I don't like those, and I was like, alright, let's buy it and see. So we're about to open it up, and yeah, let me find the key or something. Boom. Alright, so just from looking at the package itself, I can see that it's kind of a carbon looking thing, which I don't really care for, but for the price, beggars cannot be pleasers. Beggars can't be pleasers. Is that the phrase? Oh, beggars can't be choosers. Yeah, that. So I really need to keep a knife or something with me, because this is painful. All right, give me 1 second. Okay, so here are the skirts. Okay, yeah, now I'm looking at it. It has like a little bit of like a poking out part at the ends, which I do like, and it does come with hardware. One thing I've been noticing lately was a lot of stuff that I've been buying is coming with hardware. Before, that was not the case. You had to buy your own hardware, so that's pretty cool. So yeah, I'm about to line it up to the car and see if it fits, and then trim it if it needs to be trimmed. Hopefully it doesn't, and then we will put it on. I'm not exactly sure how I'm gonna put it on. I may just blam right through and self-tab it on. Who knows? But I feel like it's gonna give the car a nice little aggressive look or whatever, so that'll be perfect. Give me a second. Jesus Christ, I forgot the, oh my god, I forgot the camera mount and stuff upstairs, so I'm gonna have to run and go grab that and the drill, I believe, and then we're gonna put it on and stuff like that. So I'll get back to you guys in like 2 seconds. So it's a tad bit short, but that's not too bad. Like, I'll just, yeah, it'll work. So I believe this thing fits like 100% perfect. Like, it's like a ½ centimeter longer on both sides, so like a centimeter in total long. So this is gonna work. I don't know if you guys can even see it. I'm actually about to order a gimbal literally right now, so I can mount it on top of the tripod and angle the camera wherever I want. So hopefully it comes by tomorrow. So in tomorrow's video, if I do make, actually I will be making a video tomorrow. So in tomorrow's video, it's gonna be like 1, way more stable, and 2, better angles. So yeah, I'll get the car on and everything like that and start putting this on. Find my keys and stuff. So what I'm going to do is wipe down the bottom of the side skirt with alcohol or acetone, because I'm almost out of alcohol anyway. So I'm going to have to use the acetone because I don't have any more alcohol, like, at all. And then wipe down the skirt, put some 3M tape, well, Scotch tape in this case, on a couple parts of the skirt, put it up so it's held, and then use the self tappers to just zip, 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 zip all the way through, and then boom, it'll be installed on one side. Get the car down, put the other side up, Do it again, boom, simple install. Because what could really go wrong? You know what? I don't even want to get. Hold on. Knock on wood, because you never fucking know. So there's a couple pieces of 3M tape on here. It says that it's 24 pounds, well, one at the end as well. But it says it's 24 pounds, so this should more than hold it up. And then I'm going to send the self-tappers through it, and that should be it. So it should just go right on. I'm hoping for the best. Okay, so it kind of sticks. I'm going to just throw the self-tappers in there before it fully drops down. So, yeah. Yeah, so since the car isn't in the sun, it's kind of hard to see, but it's on. Looks pretty cool. Can't complain. So, you know, it's just some nice rice mods just to throw on the car. But you guys can see the trim kind of right there. Boom. So yeah, let's get the car down and hope, you know, hope it comes off the ramps properly. Alright, so both skirts are on. Both skirt extensions. It's pretty even on both sides. So that's cool. I'm about to let the car down, and then yeah, I guess that's gonna be the end of the video or something, like, because what else really is there? So let's put this thing down. Oh, you know, I'll air the car out, so I'll be cool. Let's get this stuff out the way. I definitely have to clean up out here a little. And let's set the phone out. This is some real exclusive behind the scenes type stuff. Let's see, as long as you guys can actually see the thing. That's actually good. That's good. That's good. Let's do that. Okay. Good. There we go. It's a nice look. It's a very nice look. I like that. Okay, so now that the sun is on this side, well, the sun's always been on this side, but I moved the van so you could actually like see it. It's a nice subtle look. More and more this car is looking like the white e36 I had before. Like, I had a lip that was relatively similar to this, just in the way that it was, because I have the stock lip and then I had a bottom lip under it. And then, yeah, like, this is cool. Like, it's really, really turning out. Like, yeah, it's real. Wow. Like, I'm kind of at a loss for words, because I really haven't done much of this car at all. Like, when I actually do stuff to it, you guys are gonna see. But again, I have the exhaust to put on. I may grab some eBay headers, I'm not sure. The supercharger's coming this week. I'm hoping the N54 trans adapter gets here this week, because I'm gonna be dropping the car off tomorrow, which is why I'm gonna be recording. We'll go to John's and see, like, you know, what he's been up to. But yeah, this car is really, really, really coming together, and I really, really like it. So yeah, I'm excited, because once it's actually 6-speed swapped, then I'll be able to drive it, because this transmission is trash. And there's gonna be, you know, like a whole bunch of stuff, and then I'll be able to test the twin disc and everything like that. And you guys already know, per usual, I'm just rambling at the end of the video, just, you know, just cause. But yeah, like, looking at this car, I really, really love it. Like, it's coming out a lot better than I envisioned, and I've barely done anything to it. So yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on notifications. I don't think I've ever said that, but turn on notifications, and you guys will see the progress of this build, because once this week is when the real stuff is going to start, like barring any holdups or anything like that. But we're going to speak positivity into existence and say that the 5-speed swap, the 6-speed swap adapter kit is on the way, because that's literally all we need. And we're going to 6-speed swap the car, and it's going to come back in like 2-3 weeks. So yeah, in the meantime, I'll also probably just grab like a project car. I may do like a second series, like $3,000 budget, $3,000 VIP build, or $5,000 SUV build, or something along those lines, or something useful for a daily driver, a workhorse, something like that. It's either going to be another E38, but a long body one this time, or it's going to be an X5. Like I've been telling you guys, I've been looking, and everyone that I've looked at is trash. So I'm just going to, you know what, like, I'm just going to get on the ball and grab one, and then fix it up and do everything. And it's going to either be a $3,000 or $3,500 budget E38. Unless it's a $750, then it'll be a $5,000 budget, and then an X5 4.4 or 4.8, and that'll be a $5,000 budget. I'm going to try to get the car for around $3,000, put 2 into it, including wheels, suspension, and refreshing it and everything, and that'll be a nice tow rig. So yeah, I'll give you guys one more look at the car. Wow, that's nice. So yeah, thanks for watching.